Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Easy Trunk. Experience freedom from your junk and keep your junk in the trunk. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Whether you are a professional welder or a sometimes welder, you know Shark, or you're going to want to get to know Shark. Now tell me, Dino, paint it sort of with a broad brush here. What do you guys offer?
So at Shark, we're a manufacturer of abrasive cutoff wheels, 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch. We also have a full welding accessory line. We do jumbo roll converting, so we convert jumbo rolls of abrasives into a variety of different sizes from 1 inch all the way through 10-inch. We also adhere an R-type fastener that fits most of the mechanic holders that are out in the industry, and that's primarily what we do.
How long has Shark been at this?
38 years. I've been with Shark for 31 years.
And you just gave the basics on what you guys make and do, but I looked through the catalog and there's so much more to it. So how did it evolve from just these few items into what we see in the catalog?
We started off, we weren't manufacturing, we were importing from overseas and repackaging. As time moved on, our customers were always asking, you know, are you ever going to make a U.S. cutoff wheel? You know, you bring in the import wheels. So we decided to look into becoming a manufacturer, and it took us about 25 years. We learned a lot, and we now are creating a U.S.-made cutoff wheel.
And it's not just cutoff wheels.
We carry a full line of welding accessories. We carry wire wheels, carbide burrs. On the technical side for the shop, we have a full line of brake lathe accessories, carbide inserts, silencer bands, tire changer components, lift pads. Body shop, we have sanding, 6-inch Velcro and PSA sanding discs. We kind of cover a little of everything in an automotive environment.
Let's talk specifically about the wheels here. Now, you guys manufacture these with materials from where?
Italy, Spain, Turkey, jumbo rolls of material, and then we convert it based on the popularity, the size.
What's the range of sizes?
From 1 inch all the way through 10-inch. With the R-type fasteners, that's a little more limited. We do 1 inch through 4-inch. But the larger sizes, body shop, application fab shops, they use the larger sizes.
We're looking at your most popular cutoff wheels, and I see that they're made in actually at your headquarters there.
Yeah, Rockford, Minnesota.
Very nice. What does it mean to you to be able to make all that stuff in-house and make it in the U.S.?
We're really proud to be able to continue to make and to grow our manufacturing. 5 years ago, we were only making about 30% of what we're selling, and today we're at 50+%. And our goal is to continue to make larger cutoff wheels and expand our line and not just limit it to the 2, 3, and 4-inch cutoff wheels. We recently acquired a couple of machines, and we're going to expand to 6-inch cutoff wheels.
Huge range of sizes. How about materials that you can actually cut with the wheels?
We have a variety of different grades of material cutoff wheels, so you can cut everything from cold roll steel, solid steel, hollow steel, to stainless steel. We're right now formulating a wheel to be able to cut aluminum.
And you brought the star of the show with you, Stumpy.
I work on vehicles myself, and I've used different hub cleaning tools, but I never found a hub cleaning tool that I could use on the impact gun when I'm removing a wheel, and to be able to clean the surface of the hub and clean the stud at the same time. I was grabbing multiple different tools trying to get one job done. And so working very closely with a couple of shops in our area and a couple of mechanics, I reached out to them and asked them their opinion and their advice. It took about 6 prototypes. The mechanics kept destroying everything I handed them, and it just made me work harder at making the tool better. And the name Stumpy came from the mechanic that broke every tool I handed him. So when I finally handed him the final prototype and I said, please try to, you know, make this one last, he's like, heck no, it's gonna break. I know I'm gonna break it. So gave it to him, and a month later he called me up, he goes, thing's still working. He says, you did something right. And I'm like, great, and we ran with this tool.
Well, the thing I really love about this, you're not grabbing 2 tools here. The top surface here is for cleaning the hub, and then for actually cleaning the stud there, you got the wire brush there. And it's pretty simple the way it works, and it works really well. So let's give it a rip here, Dino. Well, you are going to love Stumpy, and you're going to love the rest of their line. Check them out at sharkind.com, and there is a special promo code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Type it in, SHARK21. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so do not go anywhere.